Well, hey everyone, Logansfarm here, and we hit 700 subs, so... And after the votes were in, I have to run this fridge over. Well, I can't exactly run it over, but there is a little jump here. So we're going to see what happens. Well then. Oh, I wish I had a cameraman for that. Let me get you guys off the tripod here. Oh. Oops. Well, now we're way over there. And I'm stuck on the fucking thing. Oh. But that was kind of cool. The question is now how the hell I'm going to get off of it. I'll figure something out. Doesn't look like I wrecked anything on the vehicle other than that plastic and shit rubbing on the tire now, but took it really well. Ah, yes. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully we get up to 1,000 subscribers here pretty soon. Oh, where the hell's the off button?